YouTube, Troy Stars Trucking. Troy Stars Trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yeah, YouTube, Troy Stars Trucking. And in this video, trip from Montreal to Ontario, Mississauga, Ontario. So I'm just basically carrying some, I don't know what it is, but it's like a, what you call this now? Like a pipe, like a, I don't know if you guys can see the tractor. They're taking that big pipe thing. I don't know what it is, but that's what I'm taking to Ontario. Yeah, so basically that's it. You know, I try to, make sure I got most of these things that I'm taking, so you guys can see what the work is like. You know what I mean? So this is what I'm taking now. Yes, YouTube, Troy Stars Trucking. Finish strapping them down. Yeah, so I use 4 strap on these. I find out what it is. It is something for fuel, for gas. Told me some heater to let the fuel keep warm or something like that. I'm not 100% sure how it works, but that's what the guy told me. Now I use straps. They were saying something about chain, but I rather to use the straps because knowing you mentioned something about fuel, I don't want the chain to be like rubbing on these stuff, based on turning and all that. I'm not sure, so I use strap because one of these are 20 pounds. Yeah, so one of these pipes, the weight is 10 pounds, so in all it's 20, right? I use 4 straps, and I do it like the belly strap, like I show you guys in my past videos, where I put the strap underneath, carry it over the top, and go back underneath and pin over on the other side, right? So it's start from here, go under, come through this side, go over the top again, and then come back and hook right there. So I did it 4 strap, just like I explained just now. Now, the more you tighten these straps, it pull these two together. You know what I mean? So the tighter you get, it pull it together and keep it close, right? So it got nowhere going. So I do it on all 4, and the weight of one of these straps is, as you can see, 5,400 pounds for the weight. You know what I mean? 2450 kg. Yeah, so I put 4 straps. So if you're checking, we're like 28 pounds, 28,000 pounds. So we're well protected with those 4 straps, right? And I have one skid around here which weigh 300 pounds. They said I just put a strap underneath because I don't know. I see some pipes and things. I don't want to damage anything on top, so I just put it in between. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's my load securement. So on my way to Mississauga. So basically, this is it, YouTube. So thanks for tuning in, Troy Stars. I finished chopping down, so I'm gonna seal the trailer now and then off on my journey. So thanks again. Peace. And please remember to subscribe. Troy Stars. Yes, you too. Try Starts Trucking. Yeah, I'm at the Petro Canada plant. So like I tell you, it was a thing for the gas, some eating thing, another for the gas thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm at the Petro plant. I ran all night last night, 7 hours, not too much of a driving, you know what I mean, to get here because it was a rush load basically. So yeah, finished my delivery. As you can see, it was taken out by a crane. So yeah, I'm gonna go to a truck stop now, get some rest because I got a long journey ahead of me for tomorrow. This is just my first run starting the week, so I have a lot of work to do to complete my target that I set, you know, to run. So thanks for tuning in, Trucking Starts Trucking, and I just want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers and all my long-time subscribers. We all know the drill, you know what I mean? So thanks for just being here still, and you know, respect. Trucking Starts, check it out.
What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. And know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go. We can't figure this out. Put your feet down.
morning, sir.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Georgia.
Did you say you have to go inside?
Huh? Say that again?
Do you have 994?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it should be in the new one.
Anything to
I was born by the river in a little tent. Like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh yes, it will.
Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. This is Trucking Starts with another new video. I just wanna tell each and every one thank you for watching. You know that's my regular thing now. Yes, I am in Ohio, going to Georgia. I should have filmed starting yesterday by picking up my load, but because my load was pre-loaded already, I just went to the location to pick up the trailer and on my journey. So I really didn't start the video from there to, you know, whatever. I just keep driving and thinking in my head how to edit it. So I just choose to, you know, when I wake up at the truck stop over in the US, then I will start the vlog this way, you know what I mean? So let me know, you know, you guys let me know how the videos are going so far. I mean, how you like it, what should I do, what I should or not do, or start doing, or, you know, like I said, you guys are the one that helping me to grow, right? So the more you guys explain something to me and I do it, and then when you comment, you said, yes, try a good video, I feel good because I'm like, I'm pleasing you guys. And that's the deal, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm doing this for you. And if you can watch it and enjoy it, that's all I need, you know what I mean? That being said, like I said, I'm in Ohio right now at the moment at the truck stop, Love Truck Stop, doing my pre-trip to go. I'm going to Georgia, so this trip is from Ontario to Georgia, so we're going to Georgia. I just pick up some metal pipe, really, you know. So I will just get some footage along the journey, cause you know I will just show like the busy areas that look enticing, or area that look catchy, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna show just all bushes and roads, you know what I mean? So I may in and out with the journey, and if I will maybe write down areas that I'm at and try to put it in when I'm editing, you know what I mean? But thanks for tuning in. Trucking Starts Trucking, and we're gonna start the journey right now because it's gonna be a long journey. We got like 10 hours to get there. I got 10 hours on my 10 and a half hours to get there. I got 11 hours. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it exactly at the destination, but I'm gonna try for it. So I want to tell you guys thanks for tuning in and respect. Peace out. Trucking Starts Trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.